How to add McDonald's gift card to the app. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use the gift card on the app while ordering. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your McDonald's app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you just want to tap on the order tab at the bottom. And from here you are just gonna go ahead and select your order. So from here I'm just gonna select an order. Then you can select your quantity, and once you do that you can add to bag. Once you do that you can head over to your bag to check out. So if you want to add more orders you can do that, and then you can tap on review and pay if you are all set. So once you tap on review and pay, you can do curbside how you want it. You can do table service, you can do counter, or you can do drive through. And once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on it. So once you do select your pickup, you just tap on order, then you will have to choose your payment method. Now once you get to this page, you will have to add either your credit or debit card and PayPal. So if you tap on new credit or debit card, you will have to enter all of your card details, and if you have any gift cards, you can add the card details of your gift card and you will be able to use that gift card on the app. And once you do that, you are all set. Just go ahead and order up, and that's all. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.